My name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I turned an unfinished paint-it-yourself wood heart from DollarTree into a cute little decor piece. I originally wanted to transfer a picture onto wood, but I had an epic fail, but I still wanted to have a picture on there, so this is how I did it. What you're going to need from the Dollar Tree is one of these wooden hearts, a 1,000 piece puzzle. I like this because the puzzle pieces are nice and small and you have a lot of options. You'll need to paint some puzzle pieces and the wood. I chose ballet slipper chalk paint. And I also chose two different puzzle pieces. I chose the one that had 3 prongs, and then I chose one that had 1 prong. I also used some inkjet vellum. This is how I managed to get a picture on my heart. You'll need to get a photograph and on your computer, import it into a program. I used Paint because you're going to need to flip your image around. So once you have it flipped, you're also going to need to make it a smaller size because the program that I'm going to import this into, the file has to be smaller. So make sure you resize it. This is the program. It's not an app. You can just use it on your computer if you like. It's remove background. What you're going to do is upload your picture and then just hit the button that says remove the background, and ta-da, you'll no longer have a background on your picture. Then I took my picture and I put it onto a Word document, and I made it large enough so that it would be the focal point of my heart, and I printed it on the vellum. Once the vellum was printed, I traced my heart onto the vellum. The only thing is the paper's 8.5 by 11 and the heart's slightly wider, but that's okay because the puzzle pieces are going to cover what's not cut. So trace it and cut your heart out. And then with the ink side, you're going to glue it down onto your heart surface. I used glitter glue because it dries clear, and I just put a very small amount along the edges and just glued it down. And then with a hot glue gun, I just started placing my puzzle pieces all the way around the heart, and I did 2 layers. And I put a burlap bow on there, and then with my Cricut, I did use the Magnolia font and the Bradley hand font to come up with my saying. And this is how I have it displayed. This will be for Valentine's Day, and then I also am going to keep it up all year round. So I hope you enjoyed my project. I hope it wasn't too confusing. If it was, please leave me a comment and I'll try to explain further. And if you aren't already a subscriber, please consider doing so. I'll be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.